Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Supra vs GR86, which is better. Follow along and pick the one that fits your driving needs. I'll cover engine character, chassis behavior, daily usability, and ownership costs in clear, simple terms. Expect practical comparisons like power delivery, handling feel, maintenance realities, and how each car suits commuting, spirited weekend runs, or track days. By the end, you'll have a confident recommendation to guide a test drive decision. Let's break down performance so you can feel the differences before sitting in either car. We'll compare acceleration, braking, steering feedback, and chassis balance using everyday terms. I'll describe how each car behaves on twisty roads versus highways and what powertrains mean for driver involvement. This section highlights sensory cues, engine growl, steering weight, and how confidence builds through seat-of-the-pants feedback, so you know what to expect on your test drive. Quick recommendation and a small favor. If you're enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. On another note, I've been using leak-proof meal prep containers that make packed lunches easy during long test drive days, and they keep snacks from spilling in the trunk. Find the container link and other deals in the description below so you can grab them too. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll cover the practical side that often decides ownership happiness: cost, comfort, and convenience. I'll walk through purchase price expectations, insurance trends, fuel economy realities, and typical maintenance intervals. We'll also compare cabin ergonomics, cargo space, and visibility for real-world use. Think about whether you need a weekend toy or a daily driver, and I'll offer straightforward trade-offs to help match each car to your lifestyle and budget.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.